Hello and a very warm welcome to the brand new edition of Inspire Insights. I am Savranso and today we will discuss about the tropical cyclones and its impact in the Indian Ocean region. Before going into the deep concepts of the cyclones, let us understand what is cyclone. The cyclones are rapid circulation of air around a low pressure area, and this circulation is in the anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere in the clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. And the overall concept is like when there exists a low pressure region in the ocean, the air from the high pressure region tries to come into this low pressure region, and after that the eye of the cyclone is formed. And let us now understand what are the conducive conditions for the cyclone formation in the tropical region. There should be a low pressure region in the sea to help the cyclones to form, and the temperature should be 26.5 degrees Celsius or above it, or like the sea surface temperature should be like 26.5 degrees Celsius or above to help the cyclones to form in the ocean. But from this, the Coriolis force of the earth, and the most important point is there should be an anticyclone above 9,000 meter from the sea surface. It helps to form cyclone in the ocean, and most of these conditions are very well present in the Indian Ocean region, maybe the Bay of Bengal or may be it in the Arabian Sea. Why the Bay of Bengal faces more cyclones than the Arabian Sea? Before going to the cyclones in the Bay of Bengal, let us understand the cyclones in the southwestern Pacific or in the South China Sea. The South China Sea is the sea which faces most of the cyclones in the world, and 70 to 80% of the cyclones which occur throughout the year globally occurs in the South China Sea. And some of the remnants of these cyclones enter into the Bay of Bengal, and they intensify and try to be a severe to super cyclone. Every ocean or sea has its own tendency to form cyclones, and apart from this, remnants of the southwestern Pacific cyclones, the Bay of Bengal creates its own cyclone which are called in situ cyclones. So that's why we face generally 3 to 4 cyclones, maybe it is small or like large super cyclone in the Bay of Bengal region in the pre or post monsoon time. But this condition is not present in the Arabian Sea. Like we don't have a condition like Western Pacific in the Arabian Sea. Only condition for the Arabian Sea is like in situ condition to form its own cyclone, not from the outside. Apart from this, the Somalian current which flows under the sea of the Arabian Sea, it cools down the sea surface temperature in the Arabian Sea. Apart from the southern western monsoon air flows on the surface of the Arabian Sea, which also cools down the temperature, and these conditions can allow the Arabian Sea to form more and more cyclones. Apart from this, 3 cyclones are formed in the Bay of Bengal region in comparison to 1 cyclone in the Arabian Sea, and maybe it in the pre-monsoon or post-monsoon we cannot divide it properly because we only 1 to 2 cyclones are formed generally in the Arabian Sea. But we can tell that this climate change is impacting the cyclone formations in the Indian Ocean region, and though there is no clear concept is there, but it is true. And rapid rising of the sea surface temperature is fueling these storms to get more and more energy, and they are going to be more severity conditions.